Good morning, my dear students. I am Muktarani De, lecturer in English of Haji Akil Ali Hawadar Degree College in Patuakhali. At first, I welcomed you and congratulate you for your first English class in HSC. Please accept my heartiest congratulations. Unfortunately, we are maintaining distance and our college is closed for the pandemic COVID-19. But don't be upset, don't be hopeless. Dear students, we will continue our studies by using internet. Our respectable principal sir has already arranged a web page, a college web page for your classes, and our respectable teachers will continue their classes in this web page. They will continue their classes in Zoom app. So I suggest all you to install Zoom app. Otherwise, you cannot contact with your teacher lively. Our teachers will inform you about their class schedule, their password ID, and you can contact with them in this web page. If you have any questions, you can also ask in this web page. So please join this web page, join our college web page and install Zoom app. Dear students, this is your first class, so I can't give you more lectures because otherwise you will be bored. You feel bored. So don't be bored. Today I will give you a description about your first paper, and first paper syllabus is question papers, making questions papers, is total numbers. But before analyzing the questions paper or first paper syllabus, I suggest you to buy your English book. The name of your English book, first paper book is English for Today. Our NCTB had published the book and it is available in any bookstalls. So please collect your book from any bookstalls. It can help you for your classes. Dear students, let's have a look on the board. I have already written the syllabus on the board for your understanding. Please look at the board. English first paper total marks carries at only 100 marks. Your total marks is 100. There are two skills, reading skills and writing skills. Reading skills contain 60 marks. Reading skills contain, I again say it, reading skills contain 60 marks and writing skills contain 40 marks. The first one is MCQ. The first one is contain two question items, MCQ and answering questions. Number A, MCQ, multiple choice, and number B, answering questions. MCQ contain 10 marks and answering questions carries 10 marks. You will find it, sorry dear students, I have made some mistakes. It will continue 5 marks. MCQ contain 5 marks. Answering question 10 marks. It's on the first passage. You have faced 3 passages. First passage, second passage and third passage. All passages are available in your English for Today books. From the first passage, you have to solve number A MCQ and number B answering questions. MCQ content carries 5 marks and answering questions carries 10 marks. Number B, information transfer or flowchart. It carries 10 marks from the second passage, and from the third passage, summarizing the passage, it also carries 10 marks. All 3 passages are available in English for Today books. Don't worry, you have get many passages in your books and these 3 are available in your books. They are same passages. Number 4, cloze test. It carries 5 marks. It is with clue. The question setters have given you some clue, and by the help of this clue you can solve these questions. It carries 5 marks. Number 5, again cloze test, but it is without clue. It carries 10 marks. It have no idea, basics on your question setter's own idea, and you can solve of your own capacity. Number 6, rearrange. There are 10 sentences or places reordering. You can reorder these sentences. It also carries 10 marks. All 1 to 6 are reading skills, and it contains 60 marks. Next, our writing skills. It contains 40 marks. Number 7 is started from writing skills. First, on number 7, you have to write a paragraph. It carries 10 marks. Number 8, completing a story. There are few lines on the story and you have to complete the story. It carries 7 marks. Number 9, an email or a letters. It carries 5 marks. And number 10, analyzing maps, graphs or chart. It also carries 10 marks. Last, number 11, appreciating poem. It also carries 8 marks. From number 7 to 11, it is your own idea. You will write it of your own idea. It developed your writing skills. So, for the first paper, you have to solve 1 to 11. 11 items, and you have to solve 11 topics. You can, through first paper, you can develop your reading skills, your writing skills. From 100 marks, number 1 to 4, number 1 to 3 is available in your first paper books. But others are questions are basis on question setters. So my dear student, I hope you can understand your first paper syllabus. Today I will not create long my lectures because it will bore you. So if you have any questions, you can ask me. I promise you I will answer you. If you need any help, please ask me. I am always with you. Okay, we will continue our classes on Zoom app. Our next classes schedule I will give you on this web page. Goodbye students. See you again.